If you have issues with not being able to connect to your Wi-Fi network properly on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, here's what you can do. So first of all, you can go to the settings, open connections, and let's go to Wi-Fi. The first main thing that you can do, the first step, is to simply turn off and turn on Wi-Fi. Sometimes this is all you need to do in order to fix some of the issues with Wi-Fi network not connecting properly with your device. However, if that doesn't help, what you can do is, in addition to that, you can go to the top right corner and tap on these three dots, and here you need to find advanced settings, and somewhere over here you should be able to find manage networks option. And if you have been connected to your network before but now you cannot connect, then go to the manage networks, select the network, and then at the bottom of the screen you should have option to forget this connection. After that, you need to simply go back and try to connect with your Wi-Fi again by entering password. On the other hand, you might have as well the Wi-Fi network saved but not being able to connect, so you can do the same thing. Simply tap on the gear icon that you will see on the right side, and then you will open the Wi-Fi settings again. Now, if none of this helps, what you can also do is go back to the main page of settings, scroll pretty much all the way down, and then go to general management. Over here, scroll down to find reset and go there, and in reset you want to choose reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. By doing so, you will reset all settings related to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So keep in mind that if you had any Bluetooth device connected to your S25 Ultra, then you will need to pair your device again. So once you are ready to go, simply press reset settings, then you should see the information that settings have been reset. So now we can go back to the settings, scroll up and go back to connections, open Wi-Fi settings, and here try to find your Wi-Fi network again and try to connect one more time. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!